Selfridges, last year they had a lot of indie perfumes, all in sample sizes, in their advent calendar, and I was expecting something like that this year as well. This year's advent calendar looks like that and is priced at £220. Now, last year's Selfridges advent calendar cost £210, so this year's advent calendar is 10 quid more expensive. The calendar contains 33 products, and Selfridges claims that 16 are full-sized. Let's see if that is true. Now, my problem is that they don't send 33 and 42 and 5,961 products. Send 24 or 25. All good products instead. That's what I would say. We open during Advent 24 or 25 doors, or 12 if it is every other day. Nobody cares if there are 33 or 7,000 products in the Advent calendar. Anyway, the contents. Refi Brow Sculpt, the first product, 8.5 mils, indeed full-sized, retailing at £16. The next product, Dr. BS Clarifying Serum, 30 mils, retailing at £180, also a full-size product. So far, the first two products, we have £196 and we pay £220 for the Advent calendar. I just have a problem with Dr. Barbara Sturm's pricing. Her hyaluronic acid, 30 mils of it, costs £250. My beloved Huddleabo, of which I don't actually have a bottle here. No, that's not Huddleabo, that's Saracola. Yeah, but Huddleabo comes in a bottle that is around this size. This is 170 mils and costs around 12 quid or so. And it contains 5 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid and no oil. Anyway, the next product is also full-sized. It is from Natasha Denona. It is the Bronze Eye Palette, the 5-banner. People, that is also full-size, retailing at £24. So we have just reached £220 with the first 3 products on this Advent calendar and have passed the cost of the Advent calendar right there. My only problem is that one of those products is a £180 product from Barbara Sturm. Anyway, the next product is from Fable and Main. It is the Amla Soothing Serum. That's gooseberry-based, people. You get 14.4 mils. Unfortunately, 55 mils is full-size. I'm not going to count it, but that is what you see in the picture, not the 14 mil that you are getting. The next product is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. 34 mils you get, which retails at £17. The next product is from Paula's Choice. Thankfully, it is not our friend over here. It is the 10% niacinamide booster. You get 20 mils of it, which is actually full-size and retails at £44. The next product, the most exciting, Lisa Eldridge, a full-size Lisa Eldridge lipstick, my friends. Luxuriously lucent lip color, 3.5 grams, indeed full-size, retailing at £27. Lisa Eldridge lipstick. Anybody sending out a Lisa Eldridge lipstick full-sized in their Advent calendar is allowed a beta. Free on me. No, really, Lisa Eldridge, a brand you've never seen before in Advent calendars. Lisa Eldridge started selling in Selfridges recently. I love that they're sending out full-size Lisa Eldridge lipsticks in this Advent calendar, so they are allowed to include a beta. The next product is from Hair by Sam McKnight. You get the Rich Nourish shampoo, but full-size is 250 mils and you only get 100 mils. Well, I like that, they also send out the conditioner that is 75 mils, but full-size is 200 mils of that. The sizes sent out are generous, 100 mils and 75 mils respectively, but neither is full size, so not going to count them. The next is the Fleur Missing Person EDP, 9.5 mils you get, which retails at £26. Next you have from Malin and Guts, thankfully not a skincare product, you get the Dark Rum Candle. However, you only get 67 grams, full size is 260 grams. Now, Dark Rum sounds absolutely delicious, I'd love to try this. The next product is from Penhaligons. It is the Halfeti EDP 10 mils, you get 100 mils as full size, not going to count it. I have tried the Halfeti body lotion and body shower gel before, and I don't like the scent. I don't like unisex perfumes. I like very feminine ones. The next product is from 111 Skin, thankfully not under eye patches or a sheet mask this time. You get the Rose Quartz Exfoliating Mask. You get 30 mils of the tube, Full size is 75 mils, not going to count it. Next you have from Davine, all-in-one milk, 50 mils you get. Full size is 135 mils. Next you have from JV and Hair, the complete air dry cream. You get 30 mils of it. Full size is 147 mils. I first thought, this was a cream that you just apply to your hair and it would dry immediately within the next 5 seconds or so. Sadly, no. It is a styling cream. Sometimes my imagination is insane. Next you have from Color Wow, Raise the Root, 50 mils, 150 mils is full-sized. Not going to count it, but it is good that they're not, it is in the Supernatural Dream Coat Spray, which we have seen several times before in previous beauty boxes. Next you have from Dries Van Noten, Soy Malake, EGP, 10 mils, 100 mils is full-sized. Next from Costa Brazil, Soul Sunlight Body Oil, 30 mils you get. Full size is 100 mils, not going to count it either. Next from Anatomy, you get the Relax and Sleep Bath Salts, 168 grams you get. However, full size is 480 grams. The next product is from Biossance. It is a squalane and copper peptide rapid plumping serum, 50 mils you get. Indeed, full size, retailing at just 54 pounds. I am, interested in this. A copper peptide serum is always, interesting in my book. The next product, I'm not going to tell you what this is. If you still don't know, then I highly recommend that you go and watch all my previous Advent calendar videos, my friends. However, because they sent out a Lisa Eldridge lipstick full-sized, I think I will forgive them this. What I will not forgive, though, is the next product, Vita Glow Natural Marine Collagen Supplement. Oh, dear God. You get 6 packets of 3 grams. Sorry, adulterated here. I was traveling. I just arrived last night. Very, very, very late in the night. 6 packets of 3 grams. 6 packets of 3 grams. Pack of 30 is full size. I'm going to count it. Next you have from Rabanne Beauty. This is actually from Paco Rabanne. The Lady Million perfume brand. Paco Rabanne. Rabanne Beauty, the Color Shot product, you get 10 mils. This is actually a cream to paint eyeshadow. There are 12 shades. This retails at 25 pounds. Next you have from Dermalogica, the Daily Milk Foliant, not microfoliant. This is the milk foliant. 13 grams you get. However, 75 grams is full-sized, so not going to count it. This is an oat-based exfoliate, people. Next you have from True Fiction, the Pencil Liner Trio. These retail at $5 a piece. It's a Canadian brand. Indeed, full-sized. Next you have from Jisoo, honey-infused hair perfume, 100 mils you get. 50 mils is actually the starting full-sized. This retails at £64. Next from Kylie Cosmetics, oh dear, Morphe and Kylie Cosmetics. Selfridges has a habit of including either the one or the other, or sometimes both in advent calendars. Thankfully, no Morphe this time. So this is the Plumping Gloss, full-sized indeed, retailing at £17. Next you have from Bioma, the Depuff and Brighton Eye Gel, 20 mils, indeed full-sized, retailing at £12.99. Next from Orbe is the Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil, 50 mils. 100 mils is full-sized, retailing at £53. This is half-sized. Next you have another exciting product, this time from Byredo. This is the lipstick, 3 grams, indeed full-sized, retailing at £40. I've been meaning to try out a Byredo lipstick for a while now, but yeah, financial constraints, people. So I love that they've included a Lisa Eldridge and a Byredo lipstick in here. I think they've forgiven the Augustinus Bader and the supplements because of these two. Next, you have 2 nail polishes from Pleasing Beauty. That is Harry Styles, has a connection with the brand, I believe. You get 2 nail polishes, both full-sized at 13 mils a piece, and retailing at £22 a piece. Lastly, 33rd product, this was there last year as well, the Beauty Concierge card from Selfridges. This needs to be redeemed in store, which is not a good idea for those who live far away. So let's count the full sizes. The Brow Sculpt, the Stab, the Denona, the Paula's Choice, that's 4. Lisa Eldridge 5, Biossance 6, Color Shot 7, Jisoo 8, the Pencil Liners 9, Kylie Cosmetics 10, Bioma 11, Byredo 12, the 2 nail polish 13 and 14. I'm getting 14 products that are, no, hang on, there's that Charlotte Tilbury setting spray as well, 15. I'm getting 15 products, they claim 16, not bad, not bad. I'll forgive you for having 1 product that is in full-sized from what you claimed. Yeah, not bad, but out of 33 products, I wouldn't be happy if just 15 were full-sized and £220. Now, the other thing is there are 7 hair products in this advent calendar. There's the Devine, the JV and Hair, the Color Wow, the Hair by Sam McKnight shampoo and the conditioner, that's 5, the Shih Tzu and the Orbe. 7 hair care products in this advent calendar. That is a bit hair heavy for me. Now the duds in here for me are the Beta, the Sturm and the supplements. The Beta, the Sturm and the supplements. But out of 32 products, I suppose you are allowed 5 or 6 dots. So price breakdown. The Brow Sculpt is 16 and the Sturm is 180. That gives you 196. Oh dear, this is like I want, isn't it? The Natasha Denona is 24. That gives you 220. Paula's Choice is 44. 264 pounds you get. Well past the cost of the advent calendar, people. These are Eldridge's 27 quid, you get 291 quid. Bisons is 54 quid, you get 345. The Color Short is 25 quid, you get 370. The Shih Tzu is 64 quid, you get 434. Kylie Cosmetics is 17, you get 451. Biomor is 12.99, you get 463.99. The Byredo lipstick is 40 quid, you get 503.99, and the 2 nail polishes 22 a piece, 547.99 without counting the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know why I didn't count the Charlotte Tilbury. Let's do that. Charlotte Tilbury is 17, 564.99 you get, and I'm sure that I've left something out. I'm sorry, at least 564.99. That is counting only the full sizes that I could think of very quickly, because I lack sleep and I'm very tired after a rather long journey. So you only pay 220. I think this advent calendar isn't bad. It isn't brilliant. It isn't bad. I mean, I like that there's Natasha Denona, there's Lisa Eldridge, there's a Byredo lipstick. Excellent, that. And I like the look of that, or the sound of that copper peptide serum. I like the idea of trying the Rabanne cream to paint eyeshadow, and the Harry Styles nail polishes sound good as well. As usual, I don't like the Beta, and I can't stand the sound of the Sturm, and the supplements drive me into absolute Nebuchadnezzarian level fury. Best not do that on camera. I get banned or something. So if not for those 3 products, I think this advent calendar would have been one of the best. But yeah, I'm not feeling this because of those. I won't be getting this because A, I can't afford it. B, I am getting Yes Style instead, hopefully. And C, I think it is a better idea to buy the Byredo lipstick and the Lisa Eldridge lip colour and walk away. But if you can afford it and are looking for an advent calendar, I think Selfridges is among the better ones of this year. Not the best, among the better ones of the year. I wasn't expecting it to be even this good, yeah? But remember, you will have to put up with Beta, Sturm and supplements, BSS. Beta, Sturm and supplements. I don't like that the big high value item in this advent calendar is actually the Sturm serum for 180 quid, yeah, 30 mils, people. I mean, I would have preferred it if they'd sent a Lisa Eldridge eyeshadow palette in there instead. That being the high value item would have, or a Pat McGrath product instead. They've sent out, Selfridges has sent out Pat McGrath products before. That would have really taken the calendar up a notch if they'd left out the Sturm. Or if they'd left out the Sturm and sent out something like Neod or, some Decium brand product, that would have been much better than sending out the Sturm. And don't even get me started on supplements. There are a lawsuit waiting to happen. And I think they should have left out about 2 or 3 of those hair products and included something else instead. A nice body moisturizer, Sol Geneiro's Bondia or Beija Flor would have been much better. We only see the Boom Boom cream all the time, one of the others, or the Beija Flor, instead of at least 2 of those hair products. So I'm mixed about this. There are some very good products in here. There are a couple of duds as well. But overall, this calendar isn't bad. It is, go for it if you want it. That's what I would say. Go for it if you can afford it and you think, the Lisa Eldridge and the Byredo are worth putting up with the supplements and the Sturm. Go for it. If you are, though, please do tell me how you like the Lisa Eldridge lipstick. So those are my thoughts on Selfridges Advent Calendar for 2023. What do you think? Do you like it, or do you think it's a complete dud? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell.